Emiel. Emiel na lang name mo. Tama, Emiel na lang name mo. Like mo yun? Okay na ba sa'yo yun, Vic?
Amiel?
Emiel.
So, you gave this dog a name that's close to your guy best friend's name. And you just gave this cat that I gifted you a random fucking name? What the fuck is an Amiel? Buti sana kung Kiel or... I don't know. You know what? Whatever. Bahala ka na.
Emiel kasi pinagsamang name nating dalawa. So, di ba, Amy plus Ezekiel equals Emiel. Galing ko, di ba? Naisip ko yun. Ayaw mo ba yung Vic? Akala ko kasi magugustuhan mo yun.
Nakatingin